Let's also talk about other commodities then, and for that let's go across to Bharat Kumar. He's Director Global Financial Market and he joins us in Hyderabad studios. Bharat, hi, welcome to the show. I mean, what the non-agro markets at this point in time are watching out for the EU summit. What's your sense? What kind of views or sentiments are markets getting in, especially in case of precious metal prices?
I think in case of precious metals, we have seen a little bit of divergence between the international prices and the domestic prices, chiefly because of the weakness in USD INR. So I think in case of MCX, still the dollar rupee equation is still weighing on the market. Though the market is a little bit stretched. Technically, I think 29,900 ranges is acting as a support since a couple of days, and probably it may again act as a support for the evening session. On the higher side, at the same time, we are seeing 30,100 ranges again acting as a resistance. So the market may trade tight between these particular ranges, but I think aggressive trader can go for buying at somewhere around 29,900 ranges, but strict stop losses needs to be maintained below 29,800 ranges. That is, I think, on the aggressive side. But once the market closes below 29,800 ranges, maybe we can see a little bit of sell-off coming into market.
Bharat, what's your sense in case of crude prices? Because supplies is becoming a concern from Norway and from US as well. So going forward, do you see some support coming in because of that?
Yeah, I think it's trading at the historic support range. But of course, we have not seen major buying coming into picture. But nevertheless, I think it's just trading near the support zone. Maybe a major fall from the current ranges we may not see in case of crude. Even in case of MCX crude, I think 44.50 ranges, which is historically a very important support, may again act as a decent support. So I think in case of crude, we may see buying at somewhere around 45.70, 45.80 ranges. So intraday traders should maintain stops below around 45.20, but on the higher side, maybe it may pull back to an extent of around 46.70 to then afterwards 4700 plus ranges.
Bharat, very quickly on the base metal space, and how would you want to trade copper today in the intraday market?
I think copper, in contrary to other base metals, we have seen it taking very decently. It's trading on the positive side. So in case of copper, probably it may test again around 426.40 to 427 ranges. So I think one should go for buying on dips with it stops below 419 to 418 ranges. I'm talking about the August basis. But I think it may trade tight, but the bias is bullish in case of copper.